You look cute. The water, splashing. Looks fantastic, man. I mean, the tours are nice. I just don't feel like going on one right now. But I might actually go on one. We might actually, listen, we might actually, I don't know. But I didn't feel like finding out about it right now because he wanted to take me through a whole I'm not doing that. But we might actually. Man, so much things I love about the Mexican culture, but you know, one of the biggest things is just of everybody out here that's just really just living their best life, enjoying themselves. Folks aren't really worried about what other people think, and it's just a totally different vibe, man, when you're here. Okay, so yeah, we're out here, PV, man. We're walking down the Malecón right now, and I'm gonna give you guys a point of view so you can see what we're seeing, man. You don't have to look at my face. I know you guys like looking at my face, but I'm not gonna make you looking at my face for this whole video. So tell me what you guys think in the comments, man. This is the Malecón right here.
A shot? A shot glass?
No.
What is it? A 19?
It's a fan.
It's a fan.
Fan. Oh, I'm sure. That's what they want. So that's the tour. My first tour offer turned down today in PV, man. Not knocking these folks. Everybody out here just trying to make a living. Everybody's trying to make a living, man. And some of the tours are nice. I just don't feel like going on one right now. But I might actually go on one. We might actually, listen, we might actually, I don't know. But I didn't feel like finding out about it right now because he wanted to take me through a whole I'm not doing that. But we might actually.
No. The thing where you have to sit in the sun.
Oh no, the timeshare thing. Yeah, it ain't that bad. But you know they want to talk and they want to open up their. Yeah, they got those too. But yeah, I don't think that was that.
I don't know.
Yeah. So.
I don't. He started to turn this way, so I was like, oh, that's not right.
Nice little stage. Oh yeah. Y'all want to get back over here?
Yes.
Can't go on that beach. Huh? Come on. Y'all ready? So now they will help taking a picture. Hey, we help out too, man. Oh, that was him?
No.
Oh, he's paying it back
Took
though.
a picture of everybody trying to take a selfie.
Yeah, yeah.
I was like, okay.
Yeah.
I like he was just
That's all right. Help people out, man.
Yeah. But then when he sat down, right, I was like, oh, okay. He wants to be in a picture. Yeah.
Tell me what you guys think out here, man. This is a nice little bar, open place, oyster grill. Tons of stuff out here. Super nice, man. Super nice. I don't know what these are, but these are probably chairs you can sit down in. And you take a little picture. You look cute. The water, splashing. Looks fantastic, man. So what is the history? Is there some type of history with this? Man, them boy got free Wi-Fi. See that thing right there? So the Malecón has Wi-Fi. So let's see if we can figure out the Wi-Fi, man. We might can hop on it while we out here. Wow. So it says free Wi-Fi. So this work was inaugurated December 30th, 1996. Sculptures were created in the workshops of Master Salvador. Okay. So cool. We're gonna push on through. Wow. Nice. Want a picture? No, go ahead. I'm filming part of my show.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
Looks great. No, please. Looks good. You might want to try this little lower one.
I like that one.
She looked like she was trying to sit up.
I was because my bag was behind me.
That would look wet though.
It looked wet, but I don't think but I don't know. The other one looked wet too.
Is it?
Nope.
Take a picture of her on that one too.
Huh? I said none of them are wet. None of
It
them are
looks
wet.
like it.
I know, it's crazy. They do. My bad. Crop it out.
There you go.
No, I'm not gonna do that one.
You could do multiple. So we're walking down the Malecón, man, in Puerto Vallarta. And you can see it's a little later today, so there's a little bit more folks out right now, and they are getting their picture in front of the sign. Everybody wants to.
They should have hats that like have bands attached to
Their photo in front of the sign.
Might not be the right time. We might have to try
Yeah,
it.
yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Everybody's getting it in. Yeah. They gonna charge.
Hey, Richard,
Not
make a
today.
bigger mouth.
$10.
Take that big.
That's actually pretty good for that. To make a picture of me.
Sit there for 2
Huh?
hours.
No, that's the only downside. What do you guys think, man? Drop in the comments. You guys like this spot better than Playa? It's pretty lively out here. I think we need to go this way, but we will. It'll just be down further. Yeah, you just get on them and pay 100 pesos when the guy roll up on you after. Yeah. Okay. No. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Yep. So we probably could keep down this way a little bit longer. How do we get back down there? Is there stairs over here? Okay. Hopefully. Taking a little break. It is About 80 degrees out here, man. Not real sunny out here. Sitting there right in front of this little restaurant, and wifey is getting some homemade ice cream from right over there. Don't really feel like no ice cream. I just ate. We just literally left that little joint that we showed you guys in the video, so I just can't eat nothing else right now. But they're out here. They're on vacation. They want to try everything. So, oh, hey guy. Looks fun. So they want to try some of the homemade ice cream. So they're stopping to do that. So I'm just sitting over here chilling. But really just want to take some time to, you know, chime back in, see what you guys think about PV. I'll tell you, man, like some of my assessment is, what I will say is it definitely has similar vibes of cute little girls having a good time out here, man. Man, so much things I love about the Mexican culture, but you know, one of the biggest things is just the level of freedom of everybody out here that's just really just living their best life, enjoying themselves. Folks aren't really worried about what other people think, and it's just a totally different vibe, man, when you're here versus being in the U.S. And it's something that's, to me, is pretty infectious. It's something I've really learned to really fell in love with, is really the culture. And PV definitely has that. Now, I will say that when it comes down to the ocean, Playa del Carmen, when there's not a lot of sargassum, definitely have them beat. The water here is not as clear, but you know, today it's rainy season. So, you know, during rainy season, the water isn't going to be clear anyways. There's a lot of, you know, water and stuff moving around and stuff because it's rainy season. But it's nice enough. It's clear enough to get in there. Like, you know, Myrtle Beach, sit on the same level as beaches like that. You know, beaches is definitely not the Florida Gulf beaches level, but it's really nice water. It's nice enough. But you know, like I said, you come here for the culture, man. And I wish I had recorded some of the conversations that I had inside of the little breakfast joint or the brunch joint, but just really talking to people that have been here for a while and really loving the area, and really hearing everybody's story as to why they migrated to Mexico and how they're basically living their best life, man. It's just it's a theme that I'm getting from everybody here, man. I'm not hearing everybody feel like it's the best decision they've made. And I don't know, man, it's just a really good vibe, really good feeling. And you know, people are happy here. Everybody's out here kind of doing their own thing. But tell me what you guys think, man. Drop in the comments. Would you guys come to a place like Puerto Vallarta, like here in Mexico? This is on the west coast of Mexico, right? So California side. It was a 3-hour flight from Atlanta, 3 hours and about 18 minutes. So not too long of a flight, but you know, like I said, overall, great environment, man. Love it to hear. We'll chime back in with some more of my thoughts. See you in a little bit.